there team, Hayden here from GVI. I'm joined by Shane from GVI, aka the MILF Hunter? MILF Hunter, is that? No.
Corner Hunter.
Corner Hunter. You might know him better as the Corner Hunter. To me, he's all Shane-O. We're here today with something we think's a little bit special, but we're a little bit sick. So anyway, welcome to another episode of GVI Garage. All right, so we're about to pull the cover off something that we think is a little bit special. It's certainly not his usual flavour. It doesn't have an RB in it. It doesn't spit flames. It doesn't go sideways.
Not yet, anyway.
Not yet, if he has his way. So just I might need your help here. But think early 2000s, pinnacle of German engineering, autobahn cruising at 200 plus miles an hour, a bag full of V8s, raucous cacophony. Think a station wagon. What could it be? Wow, let's lift the lid on this and see what you think.
Introducing this 2002 Mercedes-AMG E55 S210 station wagon. Only 150 were ever made of this specific model in right-hand drive.
With only 1,700 units produced globally in the estate format and only 150 in right-hand drive, this is not something you're going to see at the local cruise. Very popular in Japan. Not sold in North America. A lot of these have been exported out of Japan, and we do see them from time to time at auction. But this is the first and only ever right-hand drive one, and we just had to have it. Originally sold into Kuwait new and then imported into Japan, this is a pretty special bit of kit. It sits here exactly as it's arrived. It's been through compliance, and now it's awaiting some loving touch, some drift knuckles, RB conversion, external wastegate. It's going to be corner hunted. No. What we're going to do is we're going through a bit of a process of a sympathetic restoration. This is a very tidy car, modest mileage. It was obviously owned by an enthusiast, very tidy. Like all old Mercs, it smells like old money, which is...
yeah, it does.
We definitely don't want to get rid of that smell. But we're just going to go through it, highlight a few of the things that we're going to be working on, and you'll join us on this journey to basically taking it from this to a pristine example and to its first cruise. So yeah. I'll hand over to Shane to run you through a few things.
This E55 AMG is powered by a legendary M13 5.4 litre V8 engine, putting out 349 horsepower and 391 torque. It can accelerate 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. The E55 AMG also featured 18-inch monoblock wheels, stiffer suspension and upgraded brakes. It also had self-leveling suspension, which was ahead of its time.
So the next step with this car is to basically go through it, detail what needs to be done. As expected with age, there's some parts that have degraded, fallen apart. There's some things that are simply missing. A few items that have been changed from non-OEM, which we'll go and source and reinstall. We need to confirm a rumour that this vehicle was once used by Saddam to transport gold bullion between vaults. Hey, who never knows? We might find a couple of pieces lying around under the carpet. Here's hoping. And simply just get this car ready for a summer reveal and some summer cruising. Final step will be to put the vehicle through a complete detailing process. So we're going to be looking for somebody that can do that for us. It'd be great if do we know somebody? Know a guy?
Anyone.
We don't know anybody, so we're sort of hoping that we can find someone out there to give this vehicle some love. But yeah, here we go. So the idea is to restore this unicorn to its previous glory, keeping it as OEM as possible.
Wait. The parts have arrived. 3-piece deep dish work wheels. Slam to the ground, now we're talking. No?
Help. If you're not careful, this is going to turn into a solo restoration project, all right? Just jeepers creepers. Anyway, so if anyone you know has any parts that may suit a early 2000 W210 or S210 E55 AMG, let us know. We'll be looking for a few bits and pieces. We may even put a parts list there that we're looking for. In particular, factory stereo for one of these. Someone's probably got something lying around, but most other bits are complete. They just need a bit of restoration or just refitting. So yeah, we're very excited about this. We can't wait to drive it. He can't wait to try and drift it. I guess that's part of it. But anyway, stay tuned and join us on this journey. Thanks, guys.